Hey, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Quick diesel tip for anyone driving in Alberta. I get these questions all the time, so let's run through them. What are the best diesel fuel anti-gels for Alberta driving? The best anti-gel for Alberta are the ones made for extreme cold, -40 kind of cold. Not all additives are the same, so make sure it's designed for real winter. When should I add anti-gel to diesel fuel? Add it before it gets really cold. I usually recommend starting once temperatures are heading towards -10. Don't wait until fuel is already gelled, that's too late. Can anti-gel harm newer high-pressure fuel systems? No, not if you're using a high-quality product and following the directions. Modern anti-gels are made to be safe for newer diesel systems. Is winter diesel enough on its own in Alberta? Winter diesel helps, but in deep Alberta cold, it is often not enough by itself. Anti-gel adds that extra protection when temperatures drop hard. Should I use anti-gel year-round or only in winter? Only in winter and shoulder seasons. You don't need it in the summer unless you're heading into cold weather. If driving a diesel in Alberta, anti-gel can save you a lot of headaches. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call and we will do our best to help. 780-942-3629.